Hello, I'm that James guy, and today I have purchased something exciting. Very, very exciting. Maybe not as exciting as like another car. This is a tool. So yeah, let's go check it out. Here we go. It's in the back of Betty. Okay, let's see if this works. You kick the back of the car and the trunk opens. Oh, what a nice... Look at that. You know, I just figured, like, why not just go for it? Let's get this unloaded and put together, and then we'll give it a test. So exciting. There you go, Torin. Torin is the brand name. Canadian Tire on sale for $250. That's about as cheap as Marketplace. I had them for like a good, like crappy, I should say, used ones. So this is new with warranty. 1 ton, 3/4 ton, half ton. So you can lift a ton when it's not all the way up. Let's go ahead and hammer this together. So initial thoughts, this thing's really good. Build quality, phenomenal. Went together relatively easy, even though it looked like I struggled. Never mind. No, it's pretty good. May as well just test it out, right? You can always leave it up to me to do something that shouldn't be sketchy in a sketchy way. Nylon straps, not very strong and probably not rated for this. Well, that's okay, you know. Hey, look at that. That is awesome. Okay. It should make it less sketchy later, right? Hey, we should probably figure out how to fold this thing, because it is folding. It stays in a nice folded position out of the way. Or so the advertisement said. Not bad. So that's it for today. Sorry, no car stuff. Just this engine lift, shop crane, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a win. I think it's a good thumbs up on this one. I'm gonna give it good reviews. Yeah, a little update. I'm still hearing back about an engine for the Fiesta, so we can actually use this guy for real. Should know pretty quick. This week, middle of the week. We'll see. So until next time, even if this was just a little bit helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, please like the video, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.